In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payments into your Facebook ads account. Managing your payments efficiently can save time and ensure smoother transactions, and I'm here to help guide you through this process step by step. To begin, you'll want to open a browser and search for the Facebook Ads Manager. Once you're on the platform, click on Go to Ads Manager, and this will redirect you to the login page if you're not already signed in. Here you'll need to enter your email and password. After submitting your credentials, click on Log In. This will take you to the main dashboard where you have an overview of your campaigns. From the campaigns dashboard, your next destination is the Billing and Payments section. Look for the link labeled Billing and Payments and click on it. This access point allows you to manage all things related to your payment methods and billing activity. Once you're there, find and click on the Payment Settings tab. This is crucial for adding or updating your payment methods. As you navigate through the payment settings, find the option to Add Payment Method and click it. This action will present you with various payment method options. You can choose the one that best suits your preference, such as credit or debit card. After selecting your preferred payment method, click to confirm your choice. The system will then prompt you to enter your card details. It's important to ensure these details are accurate to avoid any billing interruptions. Once you have reviewed everything, click on Save. Alternatively, if you prefer to add funds directly, you'll notice this option nearby. By clicking Add Funds, you can manually enter the amount you wish to add to your account balance. As you proceed, you'll need to select the payment method you prefer for this fund addition. Once again, verify your selection and then click Next. You'll be prompted to enter your payment details. Carefully enter this information just as you did previously with the card details. Lastly, hit Save to ensure all the information is stored correctly. This comprehensive process helps manage your ads account with optimal efficiency. With these transactions taken care of, you can now focus on creating and managing your ad campaigns without the stress of handling payment issues. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process easy to follow and implement. If you have any questions or need further help, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below.